trees are perhaps the highest valued plant in your landscape. The drought has caused some severe damage on many of them. It's surprising that the post oak has survived very well. It's a native plant of Texas. So has the live oak. Then we have native plants like the water oak, which has not survived very well. We have all kinds of brown foliage, lots of trees completely browned out. Now don't jump to conclusions too quickly, because this water oak is actually beginning to sprout out again in the fall season. So determining whether a tree is alive or dead is not really easy. In fact, many of us wait until spring to let the tree tell us whether it's alive or dead. If you need some help, you can turn to a certified arborist, which is certified by the ISA, which is the International Society of Arboriculture. Call on those professionals and they can help you determine your tree if it is dead or alive. Now let me show you too about how to water your trees and fertilizer to try to help them recoup through this drought. Perhaps one of the most important concepts to understand when it talks about fertilizing and watering trees is the drip line. And that's out to the tips of the branches and straight down to the ground. And that large outer ring is where the feeding root system is. It's about 18 inches deep and about 3 to 4 feet inside and outside that drip line. So that's where we're going to lay the water. And the way to do it is not with a sprinkler system. It has to be with an open-ended hose or a hose-in sprinkler that concentrates the water in that drip line. Now, in the absence of rain this winter, I would suggest watering these trees at least once a month, if not twice a month. And that time period can take about 15 minutes for each spot, so it can take about a half a day to water a tree of this size. But that's the kind of volume we need on these trees of water right now to help them survive a winter. A winter drought is horrible. It's almost as bad as a summer drought. Now, as far as fertilizer is concerned, we'll fertilize at the 1st of February prior to spring growth. Most of the trees will benefit by that, and again, we concentrate that fertilizer in the drip line of the tree. You can broadcast it, you don't have to punch holes, and then you come back and water it in with either the slow running hose or a hose-in sprinkler concentrated in that area. Our trees have suffered a lot. We can help them through, and we'll find out more come in spring.